Look at Mommy. Can you say Happy Valentine's Day?
Happy Valentine's Day.
What is this?
What's it?
What is it?
Valentine's Day is building. Cookies. There's cookies. Hey.
What's that?
It's candy. What? This.
What is that?
It's candy.
It's candy?
Yeah, it is. This is candy too.
I did. What is that?
It's a heart. It's a big heart. Open it. And my friend.
Your friend?
It's my favorite friend.
Oh. Aww.
It's not kind. My favorite is not kind.
Yeah? What else is in that box from Grandma?
Candy right here. There's candy. Open it. Please. Pretty please. And I said, oh.
No, what else? Oh, just mail from Mommy. Okay. Hey, look at me. Can you say Happy Valentine's Day?
Happy Valentine's Day.
Can you say thank you, Grandma, Grandpa?
Thank you.
Hey, look at me.
Thank you.
Thank you who?
Papa.